Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning useful summer-related Hebrew vocabulary. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The word for summer in Hebrew is קיץ, קיץ. And the summer season is עונת הקיץ. Ona means a season and onat means a season of. So, season of summer, onat hakites. A heat wave is sharav, sharav. An air conditioner is mazgan, mazgan. A fan is me'avrer, me'avrer. A pool is brecha, brecha. A swimsuit is beged yam, beged yam. Hyperthermia is makat chom, makat chom. Water is maim, maim. A water bottle is bakbuk maim. Bakbuk means bottle and maim means water. Bakbuk maim. The sea is yam, yam. A watermelon is avatiach, avatiach. A male lifeguard is matzil, matzil. A female lifeguard is matzila, matzila. A sandal is sandal, sandal. And the plural form sandals is sandalim, sandalim. Sun is shemesh, shemesh. Sunscreen is mesanen krina, mesanen krina. A beach is chof, chof. Heat is chom, chom. Sand is chol, chol. A vacation is chufsha, chufsha. Swimming is schia, schia. Surfing is glisha, glisha. An ocean is okeanus, okeanus. A wave is gal, gal. And the plural form waves is galim, galim. Sunglasses are mishkefei shemesh, mishkefei shemesh. A bikini is bikini, just like in English. Ice cream is glida, glida. A picnic is picnic, just like in English. To say barbecue, we can either use barbecue, like in English, or the most common term is al ha'esh, al ha'esh. The literal translation is on the fire. Al means on and ha'esh means the fire. And to do barbecue is la'asot al ha'esh. Flip-flops are kafkafim, kafkafim. To sunbathe or to tan is lehishtazef, lehishtazef. And tan is shizuf, shizuf. Shorts are michnasaim k'tzarim. Michnasaim means pants and k'tzarim means short plural male. Michnasaim k'tzarim. A dress is simla. Simla. A skirt is chatzait. Chatzait. Short-sleeved shirt is חולצה עם שרוולים קצרים. חולצה, shirt, עם with, שרוולים, sleeves, קצרים. Short, plural, male. Seashells are צדפים. צדפים. Sailing is שיט. שיט. Fishing is דייג. דייג. To say camping, you can either use camping like in English or מחנאות. מחנאות. But we usually just use camping. A tent is אוהל. אוהל. A hammock is ארסל. ארסל. Lemonade is לימונדה. לימונדה. A popsicle is ארטיק. ארטיק. A sandcastle is ארמון חול. ארמון means castle and חול means sand. The seashore is חוף הים. חוף הים. A hat is כובע. כובע. A sailboat is סירת מפרשים. סירה means a boat. סירת means a boat off. And מפרשים means sails. So סירת מפרשים. A beach ball is כדור ים. כדור ball, ים, sea. כדור ים. Summer camp is מחנה קיץ. מחנה camp, קיץ summer. מחנה קיץ. A promenade is טיילת. טיילת. An amusement park is פארק שעשועים. פארק שעשועים. A roller coaster is רכבת הרים. רכבת means train and הרים means mountains. רכבת הרים. A water park is פארק מים. פארק מים. A water slide is מגלשת מים. מגלשת, a slide off, מים, water. A beach towel is מגבת חוף. מגבת means towel and חוף means beach. מגבת חוף. Volleyball is כדורעף. כדורעף. Water skiing is ski. מים. ski. מים. Diving is צלילה. צלילה. A surfboard is גלשן. גלשן. A beach umbrella is שמשייה. שמשייה. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.